See, we have muscle tissue, or we can say muscular tissue. Muscular tissues are long and narrow. They are also known as muscle fiber. They have special protein found in them, which is known as contractile protein. And relaxation and contraction. That protein is responsible for relaxation, contraction, or we can say movement. हाथ पैर हम हिला सकते हैं. क्यों? जब मन किया तो वो बना वॉलेंटरी. डाइजेशन खुद चलेगा, involuntary, and heart, cardiac muscle, they work continuously. So these are three main types. First type is voluntary muscle tissue. Voluntary muscle tissue are also known as striated muscle tissue, and they are also known as skeletal muscle tissue. One tissue, three different names. Why? Because first name, voluntary muscle, because they work as per our wish. हम चाहे तो हाथ पैर हिला सकते हैं. That's one. Number two, they are also called striated muscle tissues because they have streaks, bands, dark and light bands on their structure. So they are called striated muscle tissues. They are multinucleated. More than one nucleus have, long and cylindrical in shape. They are also called skeletal tissue because they remain attached to the skeletal bones. ठीक है? So bone के पास उससे जुड़े हुए, उसके contact में है. So they are also called skeletal. Second category, involuntary muscle tissues, because they do not work as per our wish. They work continuously, right? As per the requirement of body, depending on metabolic activities. They are also called non-striated tissues because they do not have bands. Sometimes they are also bands. Sometimes they are also referred as smooth tissue. They are also referred as smooth tissues. Their shape, they are narrow from two ends, broad in middle and long, and that shape is called spindle shape. So narrow, long and spindle shape, having one nucleus. One nucleus means uninucleated. Examples where they are found, so they are in digestive tract, alimentary canal, in blood vessels, iris and ureter, in bronchi. Third category is cardiac muscle tissue. Cardiac muscle tissues are found in heart. They show contraction and relaxation. They continuously work throughout the life. Never gets fatigued. थकते नहीं है. ठीक है, मैंने पहले कहा थक गए, और हार्ट का टिश्यू ऐसा नहीं सोचता चलो 2 मिनट रुक जाता हूँ, बहुत थक गए. 2 मिनट रुकेगा तो बंदा ऊपर चला जाएगा. So they work throughout the life, never stops, never get fatigued. This is the structure. कैसे है? तो long, cylindrical and having branches and one nucleus. So long, cylindrical, branched and uninucleated. Correct? याद रहेगा 3 types of muscle tissues. एडजस्ट करता हूं मैं, आपको लिखने हैं सभी पॉइंट्स. चल शुरू करो, नोटबुक निकालो. यू कैन स्टार्ट राइटिंग. मैं जूम करता हूं. यूज 2 पेजेस, पूरे 2 पेज यूज करना. दिस इज अबाउट nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is also known as neuron. Neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous tissue. It is found in brain, spinal cord and nerves, and brain, spinal cord, nerves. Because whenever we have injury here in the hand, that injury or information reaches to brain. तो brain से पता चलेगा कि यहाँ injury है. Got it? So that is the nerve tissue. Nervous tissue has two main parts. First part is called cell body. Second part is called cell processes. This is cell body, which contains nucleus and surrounding the cytoplasm. Cell processes are of two types, short processes and long. And short are known as dendron. Long processes are known as axons. See the structure. ये रहा, यहाँ पे छोटे fibers, these are known as dendron. But ये लंबा fiber जाता है, that is known as axon. Now this axon is covered by insulating layer. जो brown color का मैंने draw किया ऊपर वो insulating layer है, which is called myelin sheath. At the end of nervous tissue, there is a gap. दूसरा उसके बाद शुरू होगा. दोनों एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए नहीं हैं. So there is gap between two tissues, which is called synapse. And main function of nervous tissue. इसका काम क्या है? So let me write function. Function is to carry impulses. Impulses means information. From body to brain and from brain to body. Body से brain, brain से body तक information लाने का काम जो है वो है nervous tissue का. Got it? याद रहेगा. Important है. 9th के लिए भी important, 10 में भी यही आता है. 10th standard में ये 4 marks में आता है. Nervous tissue neuron. ठीक है? आपने फिगर बना दी है, पॉइंट्स लिख दो. चलो शुरू कर, चलो स्टार्ट.